So this morning, I'd like to talk to you about 5 things about this technology. This is the Onyx lower body exoskeleton. It's from Lockheed Martin. And this system is really all about taking soldiers, making them go further, farther, faster. Transferring load all the way to the ground, taking that load off of me, providing me some metabolic benefits. If we take a look at this wonderful little device that's hanging here on my chest, this is a computer. The computer is basically the brains of the system. It's an artificial intelligence. It learns what I'm doing. It understands my behavior. So as I take a step, it learns my step. If you were wearing the device, it would learn your step. And it would go ahead and assist you through that entire range of motion. We've recently replaced the batteries in this system, so they're an 8-hour battery life. They're the BB2590. If you're familiar with military batteries, they're one of 3 that are approved for use by the military. This system is 8 hours. I can expand it up to 16 hours, so a full cycle of darkness is kind of what the prototype is designed around. If you take a look here at the actuator here at my knee, this is where all the power is coming from, right? So as I come down into a squat, this is supporting me in this position. I'm using no effort to do that. These are about 60 Newton meters of torque. That's what it's providing. It does it at a pretty high rate of speed. It allows me to do everything up to about a medium run. We're replacing these out here in the near-term future, and the reason we're doing it is we put Delta operators in it, and some of these guys are Olympic quality athletes. We want to go as fast as any human being can do. So the next iteration, it's designed around Usain Bolt's kinematics. So fastest guy in the world, that's who's going to be able to use the system. So if you see things like the shin plates here, these are really about transferring some of those forces through my leg. But the same materials that are used here can be substituted with armor. So we've got systems like this with 60% body armor coverage. And it's carrying the load, you're not. So it makes it a whole lot easier. So it's really about soldier safety as well as it is about performance. Now, if you guys followed exoskeleton development over the last decade and you saw the original Hulk, it was an 85-pound device. It was very large. When I put it on, it felt bulky, a little cumbersome. This is 19.5 pounds. That went 2 hours. This goes 16 hours. You begin to see kind of that progress towards perfection in terms of what the technology is about. And being as conformal as it is, even in this prototype stage, means that I can move about with no difficulty. I can do anything that a person would normally do, only I do it with a whole lot less effort. And that's really what the technology is about, making it comfortable, compatible with the soldier's kit, transferring load to the ground, making it lighter, faster, better, going the extra mile. If you got any questions, I'm going to be right on back there. You can take a better look at the system, understand what it's all about. I can give you all the little details about how this thing works. Appreciate it.